Introducing the Ecoflow coupon code. Save up to $1,500 on your next purchase. Are you looking to upgrade your power solution while also saving some money? Look no further than Ecoflow, a leading provider of portable power stations and solar panels. With their innovative technology and commitment to sustainability, Ecoflow is revolutionizing the way we access and utilize power. And now, you can enjoy even greater savings with the exclusive Ecoflow coupon code. By using this coupon, you can save up to $1,500 on your next purchase of an Ecoflow product. To activate the Ecoflow coupon code, simply visit the video description below. You will find a link that will redirect you to the Ecoflow website, where you can browse their wide range of products. Once you've selected the product that suits your needs, apply the coupon code at checkout to unlock your savings. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or simply looking for a reliable backup power source for emergencies, the Ecoflow coupon code is your ticket to significant savings. So why wait? Take advantage of the Ecoflow coupon code today and start enjoying the benefits of portable power. From saving money to reducing your carbon footprint, Ecoflow offers a win-win solution for all your power needs. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Activate your coupon code now and experience the power of Ecoflow for yourself.